Hi, Chad Knowlton of Notopia Publishing here. Today I'll be introducing you to the storybooks and how to use them effectively. This is a storybook from level 1, so it's meant to be used in conjunction with workbook 1. The content is identical, so you'll be using things like I am, I eat, I drink, do you, are you will be the standard constructions that exist in these books and within the workbooks. So when you're reading the book, generally we don't want the kids to be a passive audience. We want them to interact with the book. So we might read something like, I'm a car. And you might say, point at yourself and say, am I a car? And then the kids will say no. Or, am I an English teacher? They might say yes. You might have something like, are you a vehicle? And you can ask the kids, are you a vehicle? And of course, they'll laugh, it's funny. There's a comedic element to this kind of interaction. You can ask kid 1, are you a vehicle? Kid 2, are you a vehicle? And then generally, for the third child, you'll change it to something else. Because they're expecting to hear, are you a vehicle? You'll change it to something like, are you a banana? And they'll have to think. So they'll generally be expecting things to change, but they won't know when. So this will cause children to listen more carefully. And it breaks up the monotony of reading a story in the expectation that you're a passive listener. Again, something like, do you drink coffee? You can ask the first child, do you drink coffee? Second child, do you drink coffee? Third child, do you drink Calipus soda? Don't be shy about incorporating local products or local food and using the Japanese names for them, because the goal here is communication within the context of using English grammatical structures. Good luck. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. All the best.